we have to evaluate factorial. We have 12 factorial over 10 factorial times 2 factorial. First, let me remind you definition. When we have n factorial, this is n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times 3 times 2 times 1. So n factorial represents the product of the first n positive integers. So when we have 12 factorial in numerator and in denominator we have 10 factorial, we can rewrite that this is 12 times 11 times 10 and so on. But because we have 10 factorial in denominator, so I will only rewrite that this is 12 times 11 and times 10 factorial. Why? Because in denominator I have 10 factorial and 2 factorial, this is 2 times 1. And now, because we have multiplication, I can reduce 10 factorial with 10 factorial. So we have 12 times 11 over 2 times 1, because we have again multiplication. So we can reduce 2, for example, with 12. 2 divided by 2 is 1, by 12 divided by 2 is 6. So now we only multiply 6 times 11 is 66 over 1. So this is 66. This is my solution.